Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a Mexican corn. Mexican corn recipe. Ingredients. To make a Mexican corn, you need cooked corn, grated cheese, chili powder, wooden spoon, wooden stick, mayonnaise, and that's it. The first thing that you have to do is wash your hands. Then take the corn and insert the wooden stick in it. Slather mayonnaise in it just like you see in the video. Sprinkle or roll the corn in the grated cheese. Add chili powder. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. It is a traditional food in Mexico.